Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove DSG gear knob and gaiter on Volkswagen Golf Mk7 and many other models. So here is the Volkswagen CC from 2014 and here is the gear shift knob and gaiter. And first open the ashtray and then remove the plastic part from the DSG gear lever. You just have to push with those two fingers inside and then lift up the plastic cover. There is two hooks on the back side and on the front side. If you can see it. Now you can separate the plastic cover from the gear gaiter. So you have to remove those 4 clamps. Just push it inside and then remove it. You can disconnect the cables from the plastic part. You just have to press on that clamp and remove it. Then you can see the metal clip that you have to expand it. So here is the gear selector mechanism to understand more clearly. So you don't have to remove the DSG gear selector mechanism to remove the gear shift knob and gaiter. Then lift the gaiter up and then use a flat and thin blade screwdriver to expand the metal clip. Or you can use the side cutters to cut it. So remove the DSG plastic part using a trim tool. You can find a trim tool removal tool set like this in the video description below. Then you have to remove that plastic part from the knob. So you have to insert that trim tool and lift the plastic part up to remove it. There are some hooks over there. You have to be careful not to break it. So use the trim tool to protect the surfaces. Then turn the ignition on and move the gear shift from parking to neutral. Then remove that white plastic. So press on the gear shift button to release the plastic part from the knob. You can use also a trim tool to remove it. You just have to push it down to remove it. And that's it. You just have to release it. And that's it, and then pull the gear shift knob out. You have to pull it hard because it's very hard to remove it. Here it is. In the next video I will show you how to remove only the knob from the gear shift. So here is the plastic part that I told you. You can find DSG gear shift knob Gaiter for Volkswagen, Skoda and Seat in the video description below. So here is the plastic part that you have to release it from the gear knob. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.